Wicket sprint is
Wicket sprint is a very interesting concept.
They have invited all stakeholders.
A wicked sprint is a gathering of different perspectives, different ideologies.
A unique way of consultations for a policy framing.
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि इसका ये बहुत अच्छी कॉन्फ्रेंस रही। जो चीज़ अभी तक नहीं पता थी, इसके माध्यम से वो बाहर निकल के आई है और आम किसान तक वो पहुँचेगी।
Wicket sprint is a 3, 4, 5 day process that aligns people and then helps them think together.
We identify certain key issues so that the wicket problems could be discussed and maybe a possible solution could be had.
And I don't know why it is called a wicket sprint, except for the manner in which each one were given different roles. I was given the role of a CEO of a fertilizer company. I think that alone I felt was a little wicked given my positions on the entire thing.
स्पेसिफिकली कोई किसी का दुश्मन नहीं है। इंडस्ट्री का दुश्मन किसान नहीं है, किसान का शोषक इंडस्ट्री नहीं है। एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन भी के फार्मर्स को इग्नोर नहीं करना चाहिए। ये एक मैसेज बड़ा आया। वी शुड वर्क टुगेदर फॉर बेटरमेंट ऑफ ऑल।
And there are also facilitation methodologies deployed where they actually have respectful conversations with each other so that some alignment is possible and probably even some consensus is possible.
And what was interesting was people with such diverse opinions could agree to a common problem statement.
You are trying to simulate what would be the various scenarios. Suppose prices were to rise, Suppose you were to increase the subsidy on P&K fertilizers. We need more such simulation exercises.
हमको हर सेक्टर का प्रॉब्लम का रिजॉल्व करना हमारा मोटिव होना चाहिए। अगर स्टेक होल्डर या उस वैल्यू चेन में एक भी अगर व्यक्ति डिस्टर्ब है तो वो वैल्यू चेन सक्सेस नहीं है।
Here I found myself talking about a particular transition phase, an interim, and I couldn't have ignored that that reality also exists.
I think these views that we have heard from everywhere, so those I think will keep me reminding of some of the issues that sometimes we neglect. So I think I will be conscious of those views while we make some policies, plans, or make certain decisions.